Hello everyone. Welcome to latest news updated program. The topic of discussion Global Peace Index 2025. This topic related to miscellaneous section of the UPSC CSE syllabus. Global Peace Index 2025 has been released. It's showing a deterioration in global peacefulness, I rising instability driven by a factors that often precede major conflict. This measure marks the highest level of peacefulness deterioration since the end of World War II. GPI, founded by Steve Kilela, an Australian technology by entrepreneur and philanthropist, released by Australian think tank Institute for Economic Peace to rank countries by their level of peacefulness based on three themes: societal, safety, and security, domestic and international conflict, and degree of militarization. Report finding Iceland is the most peaceful with a score of 1.095, followed by Ireland and New Zealand in a second and third. Russia is the least peaceful at 163, followed by Ukraine at 162nd. India's rank 115th with a GPI score of 2.229, showing a 0.58% improvement from last year's. The Middle East and North Africa remains the least peaceful region with our 4 of the 10 lowest ranked countries from this area. Peace inequality between the most and the least peaceful countries has increased by 11.7% over the past 20 years. Global peacefulness has declined by 0.36%, the highest deterioration since World War II, mainly due to ongoing conflict and rising militarization. Now is the time for a practice question. Which of the following countries was ranked least peaceful in the 2025 Global Peace Index? A. Yemen, B. Afghanistan, C. Syria, D. Russia. Send the answer for this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching.